So what do we got here?
CR250.
CR250.
Yeah.
It's like what, an 03? Marketplace fine. Says it starts first kick. It's our first time starting it. Finally found some time. Too busy driving around town to pick it up. Got a little license plate holder on here. Sunday fun day, CR250 day. Not really, we're just gonna give it like 5 minutes. And then it's getting possibly a full teardown. Getting shipped across the country. Turn into a trike. Oh, one kick. Choke on?
Yeah.
Gas on?
Yep.
Sounds solid.
Oh yeah.
Sounds solid. Kid hasn't rode a dirt bike in what, a couple years? Had a little tree fall down earlier. Oh, we get to the shop today and got a little tree down in the road. You're gonna have that in Arizona. Apparently the wind was a little higher than we thought. What if we should just tow it? I mean, we are just leasing this, but maybe we'll just give it a tow. He's gonna get dirt bike fever again, I guarantee it. He probably should put a helmet on, but there's no helmet law in Arizona. No one cares. It's weird. God, tree falls down. Looks like a mudslide happened. Look at this shit. It's like ripping over on the side of the road over there. Promise you guys we'll be having a riding video soon of us actually riding at a track or something. Sounds good, dude. Sounds good.
Thing rips.
For 250, these things make an excellent trike.
Yeah.
And that's what it's gonna be.
Definitely sat for a while. I had to clean the carb out a little bit. It was fun.
Yeah.
Like 2 years.
Fucking.
Pump riding around.
Yeah, I was like, I don't think these kids touched a dirt bike in a while. Dude, so explain to me this. Tree falls down, looks like a mudslide happened, and then there's just random fucking turds all over the road.
In the tree?
In the tree, and they fell onto the road? What animal is shitting in the tree? Dude's all trying to do landscaping and just brah.
It's like all over the place.
Hell yeah. Well, let's
try it.
Try it just for a sec.
Fucking 250, bud.
God, it's like a little baby bike.
Yeah, I know, compared to the 500.
Like a little baby bike. fun.
Yeah?
We're going down the road like a clown, but I promise you guys we're gonna have a shop soon. Next couple of years with a motocross track in the back of it. It's happening. Right now, we got shit piles, we got trees all over the road. We got clapped out CR250s that oddly run good with shitty brakes.
Yup. The back tire looks like a shaking a little
Zoom
bit.
in on the tire.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh man.
I'll put by again. You can just get that, I guess, and then I'll put it inside.
It's like burning already.
I know.
Well, right now, I'm sweating. Got arm pump. Yeah, it's so city. Start gurgling. I'll have enough video of us doing this to Trike. Footerings. Yeah, actually, we're gonna be selling the wheel set. They look good. Felt okay. There she goes. We'll have to insert a clip the last time RJ rode a dirt bike up at Scott's track. I think you.
It's more fun watching you guys ride.
I think you like lawn darted it, broke fender off, and kept riding.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so funny.
There she is.
Yeah, it's really not a bad. Oh shit. Yeah, I knew it was gurgling. She wouldn't clean out. You just shut the gas off.
Yo, I'll shut her off.
Oh, you got a little skid plate going on here. That's not a big deal. Cool. No, this would be a good Trike build. It's actually really clean for what it is. It's just the traditional 03 wear and tear, but this thing's getting a full tear down. Motor's getting freshened up. We're gonna powder coat the chassis, complete Trike kit. Pretty much every nut and bolt's gonna be brand new on it. But yeah, we are gonna be selling this Tusk Impact wheel set. If you want, we can pull this tire off. We'd rather not. We'll donate it. Yeah, I don't see any flat spots in the wheels. Nothing too bad. Couple nicks, but yeah, we'll be selling these. Hit us up if you guys are interested, I guess.
You to the exhaust, you put like a
New exhaust flange.
new exhaust flange on it.
Yeah.
We have a spare set of wheels too.
Oh, we got another spare set for it.
Gave us those when we were
Got the stock set. Anybody's in need of some wheel sets for CR250. Should fit other bikes too. Yeah, not a bad little bike. It's just funny, like after messing with 500s and getting on a 250, it's kind of silly, really. But I'd say this thing rips pretty good for what it is. You guys probably just saw the video of me riding one of these as a Trike. If you go back a couple videos, they rip. Cool. I just kept talking to make the video longer, but appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for when we tear this thing down. Comment what you want to see in the future for builds. If you guys want to see a 250 stuffed in this 21 chassis, let me know. I don't really see doing a 125, but I think we're going to go for the older 250, like 01 and older. I just think it's a better design, but you guys comment, let me know what you want to see, and we'll make it happen. Thanks, guys. You guys have a good Sunday. What's going on here?
on the title for the CR, it says body style ATV.
I mean, that's like a New York thing. I don't know if Arizona does that.
I don't know.
He just registered it. It says 03.
Mm-hmm.
05792. Maybe that's an Arizona thing. Well, I know New York will do that. Yeah, that's right. They just titled it as an ATV so you can ride it on the trails. Cool. There you go. Should be good for whatever state it's going to.